So this is a pound dollar analysis for Friday the 7th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and when pricing may like we go. So previously we had price coming out was this 17.28 held support there, had a sharp acceleration for a perfect test of the 29.83. We've had prices pull back towards this 200 period moving average, tested 200 period moving average, do appear to be holding supports in around this 200 period moving average at present. So if we do this break away from this 200 period moving average, we're looking for a retest of that 29.83. Successful break and hold from which we then with prices head towards that 130.03, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside, we may just see 130.37 tested here on the pound against the dollar. Beyond that, if we do have a very volatile day, may just see price head up towards that 130.93 here on the pound against the dollar. If however we do break down from this 200 period average, you're looking for a move down towards 28.79. Depending on the speed of the break, we could have the 400 period moving average sitting in around that 28.79, thus increasing like I've seen a bullish bounce at that level. But if we do successfully break 28.79 and that 400 period moving average, very next level of notes, of course our previous low here in around at 128, but ultimately the horizontal level of note beyond that would be the 27.74 here on the pound against the dollar. We'll anticipate prices maybe much beyond the 27.74 here to the downside on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts. The prices are developing, get the scaling correct, and as we can see here, we do have our lows in around at 26.73. We've had prices trend to the upside, tested at 30.37. Pretty strong pullback down towards that 128, from which we have seen that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. We had a pretty narrow day in terms of a range. We had a pretty narrow range posted for yesterday. We did close the day bullish, however, but we do appear to be having some difficulty in progressing to the upside. But if we do see that progression to the upside, we mentioned levels that we are looking at here to the upside, especially that 29.83. And I suppose we do have our lows, a potential higher low. So we'll see if we can go on to possibly break that 130.37 and start to head towards possibly that 131.47 from a daily chart perspective. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.